Welcome to DJ TV.
E don red though. Yoruba social group don confirm and say dem no go recognize Babati as Presido.
Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel, DJ TV, where ogbonge story and update dey happen o. My people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o. Make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbagam. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the story and updates go carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
The Afenifere leader of Yoruba group wey dey call Ayo Adebanjo don confirm and finish like this o, say dem no go recognize or even accept Tinubu until court judgement don talk say na him be Naija confirmed Presido. He still talk say him personally no go accept am, not until court don talk. And he still talk say when e take reach there as Presido, na fraud and mago processes wey be say e dey obvious na e take reach there as Presido. My people, una need to see this video, una need to hear from this Ayo man, because he talk so many things for inside this video about this whole presidency election and all of them. My people, make una watch.
Please, they are very sad for now. It's not to comment on Tinubu's administration, because we believe that the election is not completed yet. It's still in progress. That is why we are in court. So to be commenting on somebody who is there who we don't believe should be there until the final result in the course, it will be approbating and reprobating. But acknowledging that if it's already confirmed there by the Supreme Court, then I can comment on the situation whether it's good or bad.
But regardless, as life and nature actually is, nature does not operate in a vacuum. Governors cannot operate in a vacuum. Someone must be there pending the outcome of other variables. And that is why we're bringing it to the fore, because till we get a judgment that says otherwise, he is the president and would have to live with the consequences of his decisions as it is right now. And that is why, as a statesman who lives in Nigeria, who is affected by this free subsidy, who is affected by the new taxation laws and every other variables in this present administration, we want to hear from you, because whether you accept him or not, he is our president as we speak.
Thank you very much. That will be the affair of those who have accepted it. That will not change my own position as to whether, you see, we are not affecting his, we are not talking of his ability. We are talking about the process of his getting there, which is flawed. So you people, you are mixing the issue. It's not a question, can he do it, can he do it well? Has he promised well? We have not done that. I don't want to comment on that yet. I want to comment on that, there depends to be said. But we said the way he goes there, mind the way Obi has gone to court, which we support. He said the process of getting there is flawed. How can you be something or nothing? But unfortunately, we are bound by what is provided in the Constitution, that until once somebody is declared, he has to be carried on. Okay, it's a lacuna, which should not be corrected. But until it's corrected, I want to be on the side of those it does not exist yet, until nothing is settled, until it's finally settled. That's our stand. Whether wrongly or rightly, that's our stand. And I tell you, for your information, this is the stand of the action group that are very. Even if on our own stand now, go and read why we support Obi. It's not a question of the capability or the ability of the thing to have the content of that. That is another matter. Because we are if you are a campaign, you have to do about that. About the record of APC, I know that we have been competing on that. But what we are saying is that one, a significant section of the country has been just changed. If you are not paying lip service to United Nigeria, you are discriminating positively against a significant unit of the Federation. It's a principle, an ideology. And that cannot be changed by any theory. People must attend to that. And our own party, our own group, standing on the principle, we can't approbate and reprobate. It's not there. Not to talk about how the election was there. And the Constitution provides, and the electoral law provides, that if the election was conducted and anybody is not satisfied with it, should not go violent, which we are doing. Go to the tribunal and lay down your complaint. That is where we are. Whether the lacuna in the Constitution allow them to go on or not, we want to err on the side that, well, nothing is existing there. The matter is not settled until to Supreme Court. And on the side of the very ideologically, don't let me say the rest. But for now, that's where we stand.
Okay.
I don't want to be commenting on whether he say that. Well, if those who say it has been there, then whatever they get from it, that is their affair. I want to be condemned on the fact that I refuse to comment on something that I believe is not existing yet until the final arbiter of the court. That I may be wrong. Our party may be wrong, but that's our own stand.
Okay, thank you.
So whether you are telling me it doesn't well.
Thank you for setting the tone of this
So
conversation.
there's another question on national issue.
Of course, President Tinubu just last week visited the Awujale of Ijebu-land, Sikiru Adetona, and the Alake of Egba-land, Adedotun Gbadebo. Now, according to the president, he invoked the spirits of freedom and determination symbolized by the Emilo Kon to overcome the obstacles in the elections. So let's talk about the outcome of that meeting, because that visit was almost showing a camaraderie between the current president and the leaders. So I want to know what your thoughts are about that particular meeting, the outcome of that meeting.
He said there was an assault. Is it not on the presidency that I'm disputing? Is it not on the fact that it's the president that I say, well, he has not been there on the conditions provided by the Constitution, which I'm still disputing? I can't recognize him in an office that I believe don't exist. Get that is clear. So I don't follow the propaganda, the president, he has done this, he has done that. They are mixing the issue. Don't forget that I'm not the only one saying until this thing is done, finally by the court, then we know where we are going. If even the court decides, you can still express an opinion. But I don't want to say, he has been doing well, he's not doing well. I made him, it is true that God made him the governor of Lagos State. I know his ability. I'm not commenting on his ability now. That's not the sign of Afenifere. The sign of Afenifere is that we want a free, fair, and credible election. It is that free, fair, and credible election that we are questioning. And the law provides that if you are questioning it, don't be violent, go to the tribunal. It is that tribunal we are in now. We are waiting for their decision. And you want me to comment on the office? I say, does it not exist for him? Is he already doing well? Does that making him do well make me approve of the way he got there? Don't forget I'm a lawyer. I can't approbate and reprobate.
My people, not be smarting though. But Ayo Adebanjo, he just dey talk him mind, not be smarting. Na hear wetin he talk o. Say no fit change mind o until God don confirm am say na President Tinubu be confirmed Presido of Naija. Anyway, my people, and the update will carry off like this. So, Anna reason Anna see, and make una drop una comment for the comment section, and make una no forget to like and share. DJ NTV. DJ NTV.